Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. And our inspiration piece for the month of November was put together by Shannon. It was like a recipe kit, a recipe list to put your kit together. I guess that's the best way to explain it. So she tells us we have to grab 10 sheets of paper and 6 of them have to be pattern paper. But the catch is she doesn't tell you that they all have to be 12 by 12 sheets of paper. So remember that. But that recipe list is going to be listed over at our Facebook group. All right. And I will have a link listed below, which is called Mini Kit Monday Challenge Facebook group. All right, the first paper that I am going to punch into, which I really didn't want to do, I was planning on using that as a foundation base paper for a layout when I was putting my kit together. But you know what? You start creating your layout and you just go with it. And when I started creating this layout, I said I wanted to use this paper from Cartabella called Fall Market and use my EK punch, that scallop punch, and create like a border. And then I use, you see off to the right is my Creative Memories border punch system. So I use the notebook punch, the picket fence, and a gingerbread. And you're going to see me use it creating the picket fence, but I do not show you. I edit it out. I mean, once you get the idea how this system works by watching the video right here, and it's the same process no matter which punch you stick into that little thing right there. But I love this. I haven't bought any more of those little things to punch. I should, but anyway, I have a few of them. I think I have like 8 or 10 of them that I bought a while back, a long time ago. All right, I also got out my Sidekick and my Tim Holtz leaf die and cut out several of those because I wanted to layer them up. And I'm just showing you here everything that I punched out and then my scraps. And I'm going to take all of what you see right there and I'm going to layer it up. But before I do that, I'm going to slide everything off to the side, get out my Rachel Beth handmade watercolors. It's called her metallic set. And I'm using the copper and I am just splattering that all in the background. And you will notice here shortly as that dries, that copper finish even gets deeper and brighter. And when you run your hand, it leaves even a little bit of texture. She has an Etsy shop and she only releases her watercolors every Friday a set, but you can email her through the Etsy shop to see if she'll do a custom pack for you of different colors. But anyway, I used her metallic set and that was the copper from that. And I've taken all my scraps and what I've punched out and I'm just layering them. I'm starting in kind of off center in the upper left and then just kind of slowly going to the right. And I'm just not really following any type of pattern. You know, you notice I have some layering, I have some spaced, I have some of it tucked. I'm just kind of having this free flow, abstract kind of movement going on with this layout. Don't ask me why, but that's what I was feeling and that's what I went with. Now, this goes by really quick because I figure you kind of get the idea here of if you want to scrap lift this, because you're not going to have the exact same punches that I'll have, but if you want to kind of follow this abstract feeling, all you got to do is freeze it. I want to let you know that in the end here, you're going to see the chipboard that I use, and I want to make sure, and you can see it there in the right-hand corner, that is from Cartabella. And let me look real quick. You can hear me getting into my kit here. It's just from Cartabella 2007, Hello Fall. So the chipboard that I use on the lower right-hand corner of this layout right there is from the Cartabella Hello Fall 2017. I said 2007, it's 2017. And then the upper left where it says Thankful Family, those are stickers, and I popped them on foam dots, and that came from the Simple Story Fall Farmhouse, which was released, I think, 2019, right? Yeah, 2019. Then I added some wood veneer that was in my kit, which came from my stash, and I painted that one that says love. So my title at the bottom says Fall in Love. And I'm just showing you that I used the Rachel Beth, copper watercolor paint. I'm going to journal down there to the left, of that card. Card. And it's basically, I'm going to document that this was phase 2 of our project up at the mountain house where my husband makes the front porch steps. These are the close-ups. You can see that beautiful copper watercolor paint. All right, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Remember to check out the other ladies' links listed below. Hit that bell button so you receive notification every time I post, and we'll see you next time. Bye.